Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jen Antunes and I hope you're having a beautiful day so far. So today we are going to be unboxing my Fab Fit Fun winter box. Now, to be honest with you, I completely forgot about this and I didn't pick any of my items. So I'm going to be completely surprised in what is in this box. Now, before we get into it, if you enjoy videos like this, you can let me know by clicking that like button. And if you have not done so already, I do welcome you to join us here on my channel by clicking that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, without further ado, let's see what's in this box. So for those of you who don't know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription where you get a variety of products in beauty, fashion, fitness, wellness. You'll get a wide variety of product. Now, each box right now is $49.99, but I do want to make sure I mention that beginning in January sometime, it is going to go up to $54.99 a box. Personally, I do feel that this is still a great value. You do get a lot more value in products than $55. I honestly think this is a great way to treat yourself or to treat a woman in your life all year round. Every few months, you or someone you love will get a special treat and get to have a variety of new products that they can enjoy that season. Now, if you would like to sign up or learn more about FabFitFun, I will provide the link in the description box down below. Now, this is not a sponsored video and I'm not affiliated with FabFitFun. I purchased my FabFitFun boxes with my own money, and the link in the description box is a referral link that all members get. So now that we know what FabFitFun is, let's see what I got in my box this season. So the first thing I pulled out is a bunch of like their seasonal flyer, and it just gives you information about the different products that are in there, and even gives you some recipes that you can try out that season. I do believe it gives you like exercising and wellness stuff that you can try out. Like I said, it's just a little flyer that they give, and collaboration and theme of whatever that season is. Also gave me a code for $15 off your first FabFitFun box. I'll provide all the information in the description box if you want to take advantage of it. It says that it is valid until March 15th, and it is only valid for new customers purchasing a seasonal subscription. So the first product that I am going to grab is Mani Moments Mani in a Box Duo with a nail file. It says get salon worthy manicure at home. Let's see what's in here. I actually haven't done my nails for the holidays yet. Oh, it's got packets in here. So it's got sugar scrub, a cream mask, massage butter. It does come with a nail file. So one's with vitamin recharge and then green tea detox. So I guess they're like hand masks. I'm definitely gonna have to check this out. I know in the winter time especially, my hands get very, very dry, and I have rheumatoid arthritis, so they get very, very like tight, and like I have a hard time moving them, especially in the winter time up here in Massachusetts. So I'm definitely going to check this out and see what it's about. Next thing is Sonic's Bluetooth speaker. I love that it is pink. I love that it's pink, but this is probably not something that I would end up using, so I will probably pass this along to a family member or a friend. I still haven't even used the Bluetooth radio speaker that I got in my last box. I never even ended up using it. I forgot to bring it with me to the Dominican Republic, and like I said, I never even ended up using it. So I'll either pass this along or the other one I got, because the other one's still in the box. So we will see. Next one is the Topical C Skincare Booster Powder from the new company. So this sounds interesting. Potent powdered vitamin C is activated in the palm of your hand, helping to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and brighten skin. Ferulic acid aids absorption, while colloidal oatmeal and aloe vera help to soothe skin. 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer or serum. Apply to clean, dry skin daily. I'm definitely gonna have to test this out. This sounds very interesting. I love using vitamin C, especially in the winter time, because that's when our skin tends to kind of get that dull look because we're not out in the sun that much, especially if you live like in the cold areas like I do. I am like indoors 24/7. I hate going out in the cold. So I don't get much sun, which means my skin kind of looks blah in the winter. So I'm definitely gonna have to try this out. Ooh, that one's gonna be interesting. So the next product is Esped Natural Beauty Intercom Exfoliating Body Polish. I have actually just ran out of my recent body scrub, and I actually forgot to pick up my replacement at Walmart when I was there earlier today, so this came just in time. I really do hope I like this. All right, so let's see what the next one is. Winky Lux lip oil. So this is probably another product I'm going to end up giving away. I already have a couple of lip oils, and I am happy with the ones I have, and I don't use them enough for me to add another. I don't know what it is, but I constantly am getting Winky Lux products in my FabFitFun boxes. I will say this does look pretty cool. It's got like gold stars in it. I actually think I know who I'm gonna give this to. I know who will love that teenager in my life. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. So this is Mason Jar Cocktail Shaker Kit. I personally don't drink, and I don't really know anyone that drinks mixed drinks. I don't know. I'm sure I'll find someone to give this to. You know, this is where I'm kind of like upset that I forgot to pick my products, because I've gotten, like, I would never use this. And the next one is the Mark & Graham Stainless Steel Electric Wine Opener. I'm sure if you are a wine drinker, you would love this. As I said, I do not drink. I don't even drink wine. I mean, this looks really nice. But this, I do know who I'm going to be able to. This will be actually a great Christmas gift for someone. So hopefully they don't see this video and see where I got it from. Okay, oh, another FedEx delivery. Past couple of days, like, I've had FedEx, Amazon, and UPS like non-stop at my house all day long, between my mom and my sister sending their gifts, stuff that I've ordered. Like, it's been crazy, but I'm sure it's like that with you guys. Well, that is everything that I got in my winter FabFitFun box. I would have to say overall, I'm not caring for my box this time. But the thing is I can't really blame FabFitFun, because I didn't pick the products. Like, I didn't go in and choose my choice products. So they just kind of threw in based off of, I don't know, I guess my survey and what I picked before. And the thing is I think I've only had maybe 1 or 2 other boxes, so it's not like I really have that much of a history with FabFitFun. I'd have to say my favorite product, and the one I'm most excited to try out, is the Topical C Skincare Booster. My least favorite would probably have to be the mixer, the cocktail mixer drink thing, because like I said, I don't drink, and I honestly don't know anyone that I could give that to. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Well, now it's your turn. I would love to hear what your thoughts are on my box. And if you got a winter box, what did you think of your box? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed today's video, you can let me know by clicking that like button. And while you're down there, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you're notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Feel free to check out any of the videos you see here on the screen. If not, if you gotta go, I understand. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Until next time, bye.